Hi guys, welcome back to this new YouTube channel. I go by the name Winnie Ambo, and guys, I really want to show you how we harvest maize here in Africa without any machine. Okay, we plant and we harvest using our own hands. Okay, and guys, I think this will be really an interesting video, so guys, watch this video till the end as I show you how we harvest maize here in Africa. Okay, so guys, keep it going. Okay, so guys, during this season people really didn't harvest that much of bags of maize because the weather wasn't that favorable. There was so much sun that the maize couldn't grow or do well. Okay, and let me just say, for example, as my mom decided to put the cows to graze on the maize farm because really some didn't really do that well, and there was nothing to harvest anyway. And I think that has really affected a lot of people here in Kenya, or let me say specifically in the village that I come from, which is in Kenya. Yeah, so, and I think that in future there will be so much hunger. Okay, I'm really sure there will be so much hunger, and the price of the maize will really go up because there was no maize. That I think there are really a few people, one or two people, that have really harvested maize here in our village. Look at this one. If I remove this one, I think there will be nothing inside it. Okay, so I think someone just decides to to allow the cows to graze on their maize farm, not because they like it, but because the situation really pushed them to do so, because they can't really harvest anything. So guys, stay tuned as I show you how we harvest maize here in Africa. Okay, so guys, this is one of our farms. Okay, and guys, it didn't really do that well, and we had to place cows to graze since we couldn't harvest anything. So let me go and show you another place that the maize didn't really do that well. So guys, as you can see, look at that. You see, the maize didn't really do that well. Look at that. The weather wasn't that favorable. And guys, look at this one. There is nothing you can harvest here. Okay, so let me peel it and show you guys. So guys, let me remove this one so that you can see. So guys, it's so this was the maize that I was holding. So look at that. Look at that. It hasn't even really. Look at that. Totally, it's nothing. Okay. It has produced nothing at all. So that's why I'm saying we are really going to experience here, okay, in the future. Look at that. And some even don't have a corn or a maize. It doesn't. Yeah, some of them. Look at it. Literally. So my mom or us will just put we'll just allow the cows to graze here, okay, because there's nothing you can get. Look at this short maize over here. It's really short. Okay, and look, nothing at all. And guys, it is really a sad situation here in the village, because us, or let me say in Kenya, maize is our staple food. Okay, and if you don't harvest that much of maize or bags of maize, you'll really suffer, okay? Because almost everything we eat with ugali, I know you people know ugali, yeah. You grind maize, okay, it become a flour. Then after that, you cook ugali, okay? So here you can eat ugali in the morning, afternoon, and also in the evening, okay? So that is how most people here in Kenya or in the village survive. So when you don't really harvest a really good bags of maize, it's going to be, in short, you'll really suffer. And if you decide to go and buy, and now the maize has really not done well in many places here in Kenya due to bad weather, let me say so, the price will shoot up, and most of the people they won't really be able to afford the price or the maize, okay? And I think there will be hunger. Yeah, I think there will be hunger. Yeah, I think they even announced it, okay, that some other places will experience hunger. And guys, the other thing is, long time ago, people used to use organic manure to put on the farm, okay? And as time goes by, people really went for inorganic fertilizer, yeah, those ones. And it really makes soil, with time the soil's fertility reduces, and it affects how you will harvest your maize, okay, or how the maize will grow. And I think that has really added up to the situation that we are experiencing here in the village. So guys, for example, this maize farm over here, the person didn't really harvest anything at all, okay? Yeah. So guys, this is our maize farm, okay? And it's like a maize field, yeah. So ours is up to there, that point over there. So ours is up to the end over there. So guys, most of the people haven't really gotten, so guys, most of the people are not even harvesting because there's nothing to harvest, so they'll just put the cows to graze, as I have said over and over. The places that are really empty, the maize didn't really come up, okay? Yeah, this is how the farm looks like when they've already harvested them. So they harvest and place into places, okay? Some portion there, and maybe let me go and check. So guys, that is how the farm looks like when they've already removed, harvest the maize, okay? Look at that. So they place them into small portions, okay? For example, we have this, the first portion over there, and maybe others just around here in the field. So guys, I know you're wondering how we're going to remove the maize from the farm to home, okay? So we have some sacks here. We place the maize into the sacks, then carry them on our heads, yeah. Then we carry them on our heads, and trip by trip, even if it will take 10 trips, we carry them on our head. No matter the distance, you have to carry them on your head. So guys, I'll be showing how we are going to carry them on our heads, but before that, let me show how we remove the maize. guys, this is the second portion over here. Okay, the first one was over there, the second one is here, and I think maybe the third one is over there, that point. Okay, so guys, this is the third portion. Okay, so guys, let me show you. Look at how dry it is. Very, very dry. thank you guys for watching till this point. Okay guys, by the time you're finishing harvesting the maize and removing it from the farm, okay, from the maize farm, you won't feel your neck, your head, and sometimes your knees, because you have to carry the heavy load, the heavy maize. Okay, you have to carry the maize, okay, you have to carry the sack of the maize from the farm, no matter the distance, on your head. Okay, you put it on your head and carry it from the farm, no matter how far the distance is. And if you're lucky, when the farm is near your home, yeah, you are lucky. Okay, and when it is far away from home, you have to carry it up to home. And by the time you're finished doing that, yeah, by the time you're finished carrying it, you will feel it. Okay, your body will be so weak, but you know, we are used to it from childhood. We are used to doing that. Okay, and I think it's not that much a big deal for me or for many people who live here in the countryside, okay, here in Kenya, and we are used to it. Okay, and thank you so much. I love you guys. Kindly subscribe. Kindly, if you've watched up to this point, kindly subscribe and hit that like button. Okay, love you guys.